Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, despite a flurry of late session wickets, the first test between the West Indies and Zimbabwe petered out into a draw in Bulawayo today. The Zimbabweans, chasing 272 for victory, hung on at 134 for 6 after Gudakesh Moti bagged 4 for 50 and Roston chased 2 for 9. The hosts were reduced to 120 for 6 with 11 overs. But Tavadzwa Siga, 24 from 83 balls, and Wellington Masakadza, a 0 from 36, denied the Caribbean men any further inroads. Earlier, resuming their second innings at a 21 without loss, a lead of 89 runs, the Windies declared at 203 for 5. Raymond Reefer top scored with 58 along with 57 from vice-captain Jermaine Blackwood. Craig Brathwaite made 25 and man of the match Tejnaran Chandapol 15 as the two created history by becoming the first pair to bat on all 5 days of a test. Masakadza took 3 for 71. The second and final test bowls off on Sunday at the same venue. And the West Indies women recorded a tense 4-wicket win over their Sri Lankan counterparts in their final warm-up match in South Africa before the T20 World Cup. The Sri Lankans were dismissed for 107 from their 20 overs, with captain Hayley Matthews claiming 3 for 17, while there were 2 wickets each for Afi Fletcher and Karishma Ramarak. In their chase, the Windies women slipped from 45 without loss to 76 for 5, but 46 from Matthews and 16 from Jamaican Chanel Henry guided them over the line at 111 for 6 with 2 balls to spare. Shabika Gajnabi made 17, while Jamaican Rashada Williams and Chadine Nation were dismissed for a duck and 6 respectively. Former captain Stefani Taylor is yet to feature in a match due to injury. The 2016 champions open against England on Saturday in Parle. Now at sports time, the Jamaica Scorpions were 62 for 4, or they were 73 for 5 against the Barbados Pride after electing to bat in their second round regional 4-day clash at the Coolidge Cricket Ground in Antigua. Captain Paul Palmer Jr. 15 and Abhijayman Singh were the batsmen at the crease. Leroy Lugg a duck, Tevin Gilzine 32, Kirk McKenzie 1 and Aldine Thomas 8 were the men dismissed as the Scorpions wobbled to 44 for 4 before going to lunch at 62 for 4. The Scorpions made 2 additional changes from the opening match, with Gilzine replacing Romain Morris, while fast bowler Ajay Shields got the nod over off-spinner Akeem Fraser. Jamaica College will take on Herbert Morrison in one of 4 games as the semi-finals of the ISSA National Basketball Competition gets going today at the National Stadium courts. The match tips off at 4:30. Campion College take on St. Catherine High in the preceding game at 3. St. George's College are currently taking on Kingston College, while Campion College do battle with Manchester at 1:30 p.m. JC and St. Catherine booked their places after Jamaica College had a 69-66 win in their final quarter-final round match over the Saints on Monday in overtime. Kimani Phillips was a high-point man for JC with 22 points and 12 rebounds, while Nathan Ricketts led the way for the losing team with 26 points and 7 steals. And LeBron James has become the NBA's all-time leading scorer, passing Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's long-standing record. Los Angeles Lakers star James hit 38 points in a 133-130 defeat by the Oklahoma City Thunder to surpass Abdul-Jabbar's mark of 38,387 set in 1989. Abdul-Jabbar initially broke the scoring record in April 1984, 8 months before James was born. The 38-year-old who needed 36 points to break the record did so with a fadeaway jumper at the end of the third quarter, and he finished the match with a career total of 38,390.
I just want to say thank you to the Laker faithful. You guys are one of a kind. To be able to be in the presence of such a legend and great as Kareem, it means so much to me. It's very humbling. Please give a standing ovation to the captain, please. To my beautiful wife, my daughter, my 2 boys, my friends, my boys, my family, my mother, everybody that's ever been a part of this run with me the last 20 years, 20 plus years. I just want to say I thank you so much, because I wouldn't be me without y'all. All y'all help, all y'all passion, all y'all sacrifices helped me get to this point. And to the NBA, to Adam Silver, to the late, great David Stern, I thank you guys so much for allowing me to be a part of something I've always dreamed about.
And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.